how are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing wonderful. Now in today's video, I am going to show you how I created this look right here. It's another Euphoria inspired makeup look. I just came up with it. Please let me know how you like it. And if you want to see how I created this look, please keep on watching. So, for the base, today we are going to use the same base that we did for my last Euphoria look. If you haven't watched that video, please go watch it. I will link it somewhere up top. Please go watch it, and we're gonna just fast forward through it and hop right to the eyes. For moisturizer, I'm going to go with my Clinique Moisture Surge again. And for foundation, I'm using my same Fenty in 290 and Shape Tape in medium. So I'm just gonna do that quickly and be right back. Got done with my face. I did my foundation, concealer, powder and my eyebrows. Now on to the eyes. So I was thinking to go with my Stila Shimmer and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow. I'm not actually blending my eyeshadow today. I'm keeping like very straight and clean lines. So I'm just gonna take an angled brush. This is PAC 030. I'm just gonna take that and make a really clean line on my crease. The other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take a wing right here and join that line to that wing. There it is, there's my wing. I'm just gonna join this. I'm gonna take the color and fill it in. Just have to fill it there and now. That looks bomb, and it took me like 2 seconds to do that, like literally. So I'm just gonna take this brush again and join it to the front of my eye. Also, this is like not the look, okay? I am going to add some pearls in. Oh my god, that looks like so good. Okay, after we've done that, I'm just gonna take the thing again and do it on my lower lash line. I'm just gonna take this and there it is. Let's do the other eye. Let's do it. It looks a little messed up in the front right here, but we're gonna fix that. We're gonna put pearls on it anyways. Let's do the lower lash line. Feeling cute? Okay, so I just did my lashes. See, lashes have made such a big difference in my look. It looked so bland before I did my lashes. So lashes are very important. So for today's rhinestone, we are going for pearls, like sort of like gold pearls on my crease line and on my, I'm not sure if we are doing it on my waterline just yet. So we'll have to wait and see that. But for now, let's do pearls on my crease. Where do we start it from? From the front? Okay, let's start from the front. This is going to be so much harder than have nails today, which is like the best thing for this kind of situation. There we go, I have one down. There goes another one. So heavy on my eyes, but it looks so pretty. This is a pain in my ass. Take it right on there. A fast process. The rhinestones were not like sticking on. I was just like, oh my god, because of my nails and stuff, and I couldn't fix it because of my nails. And I was like, I need a lot of patience. Which, if you don't, well. So now that we are at the end of my eye. I'm gonna do one on the top so that it looks like I have a pointy wing. Oh my god, I am obsessed with this. It only took me 17 minutes, like not even to do this. Like I am so proud of myself. I'm gonna put one right here to like it so that it looks like I have like a wing like a pearl wing on, you know what I mean? Yeah, obviously. So I just got done doing my eyes. I'm just gonna clean the glue as much as I can from around the pearls. Actually, I thought that I should stick pearls or some kind of a rhinestone in like the corner of my eyes to bring the whole eyes together. So I thought maybe we could bring some color in our eyes, and I think I'm gonna do like a purple rhinestone like in the corner of my eyes, just like right there. That cute. No, I don't like it. Maybe I'm just gonna stick on the pole right there. Yeah, that looks like much better. Be very careful to not get the glue in the eye. I think I do want like a brown eyeliner on my lower lash line. This is the pencil by Faces in the shade Metal Brown. So we're gonna bronze now. For bronzer, I'm gonna use my Urban Decay Naked Flushed palette. I'm almost out of bronzer, but I really like this shade. Very shockingly to apply a lot of blush today because we don't have any color in the eyes. You look so cute. I really hate blush. blush, but it doesn't look like it, but I really hate blush. After we are done applying the blush and we are done with the eyes, I am going to do my lips now. For lips, we are going to use Muse by Huda Beauty. I really like this lipstick. It's a really nice color and it's a really mauve shade. Now we are going to go with highlight. So for highlight today we are going to go with my Becca highlighter again. It's in Champagne Pop. So we're done with today's look. I hope you guys like this and I really like it. It looks so damn cute. So I hope you guys like this. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below and let me know how you like this look. If you want me to create more Euphoria related looks, then please comment down below and let me know. Share this video, subscribe if you are new to my channel, and follow me on all my social medias. The handles will be down in the description and on the screen. That's it. Bye. I will see you guys soon. Spread love. Mwah.